How to turn off Disney Plus notifications on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can turn off or disable the Disney Plus notifications on iPhone. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you use the Disney Plus application and then you maybe go ahead and then get lots of notifications from Disney Plus, such as marketing notifications or something like that, and you would like to turn it off, then all you have to do is open the settings application here. And once you launch the settings application, just go to notifications and tap on it. Once you go to notifications, you can just scroll to the D section and look for the Disney Plus app, and if you do find Disney Plus here, tap on it and then just tap on turn off allow notifications. And when you do that, notifications will get turned off, and you can go to Siri suggestions and also look for the Disney Plus application here and then turn off the toggle, and Disney Plus notifications will get successfully turned off. This way you can turn off notifications for the Disney Plus app on iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.